Imagine a structure so grand it dwarfs the imagination, a testament to the might and grandeur of a civilization long past. Welcome to the Colosseum, a timeless masterpiece of architecture and engineering, standing tall amidst the modern cityscape of Rome. Imposing in its size, the Colosseum's elliptical form dominates the land, its weathered stones whispering tales of a bygone era. This grand amphitheatre, born in the Flavian dynasty around 70 to 80 AD, was known then as the Flavian Amphitheatre. Its construction was a feat of engineering, a testament to the prowess and ambition of its builders. At its completion, it was the largest amphitheatre ever built, a stage for gladiatorial contests, public spectacles and dramas based on classical mythology. Its massive walls, arches and corridors echo the roar of the crowd, the clash of swords, the drama that unfolded within its confines. The Colosseum, a symbol of Rome's imperial might, is an enduring testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Every stone, every archway of the Colosseum whispers tales of glory, valor and spectacle. It's here that the Romans, the masters of spectacle, hosted deadly gladiatorial combats and wild animal fights. Imagine the Colosseum teeming with a sea of spectators, all waiting with bated breath as gladiators, warriors of the highest order, stepped into the arena, their fate hanging on the turn of a thumb. The Colosseum was also the stage for grandiose naval battles, where the amphitheatre was flooded with water and full-scale ships were brought in to reenact famous maritime victories. And who could forget the wild beast hunts, where exotic animals from the far reaches of the empire were brought to face off against the bravest of men. These spectacles were not mere entertainment. They were deeply woven into the fabric of Roman culture and politics, a testament to Roman might and grandeur. In the echoes of the Colosseum, one can still hear the roars of the crowd, the clash of swords, and the mighty roars of beasts. Today, the Colosseum stands as a symbol of the eternal city, a must-see for every visitor to Rome. This iconic structure, once a venue for gladiatorial contests, is now a significant tourist attraction, drawing in millions every year. Its grandeur and history are often featured in films and television series, further fueling its popularity in modern pop culture. But the Colosseum is not just a relic of the past. Today, it plays host to a variety of events, from operas to rock concerts, showcasing the dynamic blend of history and modernity that Rome is known for. The city takes immense pride in this architectural masterpiece and has undertaken significant conservation efforts to preserve it. Despite the ravages of time and nature, the Colosseum stands tall, a testament to the enduring strength and ingenuity of the ancient Romans. The Colosseum, an architectural marvel, a symbol of Rome's past glory, continues to captivate and inspire millions around the world. From its grand construction during the Flavian dynasty to its role as a venue for deadly spectacles, the Colosseum has a rich and vibrant history. This remarkable structure, a testament to Roman engineering, has withstood the test of time and continues to awe us today. We've delved into the Colosseum's majestic beginnings, the echoes of gladiatorial battles, and the fascinating tales etched into its walls. We've also explored how it continues to captivate us in the present day, serving as an iconic symbol of Rome and a popular tourist destination. The Colosseum's enduring significance in history and culture cannot be overstated. It's not just an ancient ruin, but a living monument, a tangible link to our past that reminds us of the grandeur of the Roman Empire. As we journey through the annals of history, the Colosseum stands as a timeless symbol of the Roman Empire's grandeur and a testament to human ingenuity and architectural prowess.